Hey guys, feeling a bit down about learning English phrasal verbs? Well, worry no more. Today we're going to up your game with phrasal verbs using up and down. Phrasal verbs are verbs that team up to create whole new meanings. Let's begin with the upside of things, and then we'll tackle the downside of things. So, grab yourself a pen, piece of paper, and let's take some notes.
Look up to search for information. Feeling curious? You can look up a word in the dictionary or look something up online. Break up, to end a relationship. They broke up right after their 10th anniversary. Dress up, to wear fancy clothes. Time for a special occasion? Dress up in your finest clothes and make an entrance.
Can you guess the meaning of this next phrasal verb? Tell me in the comments and I'll reply.
Write down, to record something in writing. Don't forget those important details. Write down the instructions or make a list to stay organized. Calm down, to relax and become less agitated. Feeling stressed? Take some deep breaths and calm down. Slow down, to reduce speed. Be safe on the road. Remember to slow down when approaching a stop sign.
Can you guess the meaning of this next phrasal verb? Tell me in the comments and I'll reply.
Make up, to invent a story or lie. They made up an excuse for being late. Cheer up, to become happier. Don't be sad. Let's watch a funny movie to cheer you up. Fill up, to completely put something in a container. Let's fill up the gas tank. Pick up, to collect something. They're picking up the trash. Turn up, to increase the volume. Can you turn up the music a bit? Light up, to become illuminated or happy. Her face lit up when she saw the surprise party.
Can you guess the meaning of this next phrasal verb? Tell me in the comments and I'll reply.
Break down, to stop functioning or become emotional. The car broke down on the highway. He broke down when she told him the news. Settle down, to become calm or quiet. The children need to settle down before bedtime. Turn down, to refuse an offer. I had to turn down the job offer because it was too far away.
Can you guess the meaning of this next phrasal verb? Tell me in the comments and I'll reply. There are many more phrasal verbs with up and down. Look them up in the dictionary, write them down and practice them, because the only way to learn how to use phrasal verbs is using them, so practice them.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next video.